To clone apps on POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on my phone right here. Next step is to click on the apps section like this, and then there's the option to use dual apps. If we select that, we'll be able to create a duplicate of any apps that we have right here. So you may have different options, just to keep that in your mind. And now click on the Facebook, for example, and activate a dual app. After a moment, we'll get a duplicate of this specific app. So as you can see right here, we have a Facebook standard, which doesn't have any changes. There's no extra icons or anything. It's just straight up Facebook. That is our original app. Then the clone will look like this. There's a yellow dot in the bottom left corner, and that is the clone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing.